Zhejiang Guangya Machinery Company Limited was established in 1997. After more than 20 years' fast development, Guangya has become one of the leading manufacturers of hot foil stamping and die-cutting machinery in China. With the research of manual, semi-automatic, fully automatic, and web-fed series, the company has transformed into a total solution and the preferred strategic partner for all our corporate customers. With over 20 years of industry experience, we have developed a global network of distributors and customers, providing you with a better cost-effective solution whilst giving you the fast return on investment. Our product is very popular by customers from American and European countries. Our machines have passed the CE certification. We keep on launching new technology machine on the market each year, and the machine can be customized by customers as well. In order to expand production to meet customer demand, the company invested in new plant construction in the year 2012, built in 2015 and put into production. Now it covers an area of 30,000 square meters. Since the inception, Guangya have always been insisted on assure success by quality, integrity-based policy, have been continually introducing the new type high-quality Shiwei brand hot foil stamping, die cutting, web-fed hot foil stamping, etc. series products to the market. Warm welcome to visit our new factory